Alright, what's going on everyone? So today I'm here with Ian. Y'all know Ian, he's been in plenty of the videos, and today we have a sneaker review. Now I haven't done a sneaker review in a really long time, or maybe ever. Or I think I've done like a couple, but this sneaker is special because this man went and copped it off a shock drop, which is impressive enough, and he got the last pair, which is crazy, honestly. Like, he walked in, he bought the pair, he walked out, and then they walked out and said they were sold out. So that's a pretty crazy feeling. I'd say that's a catch a vibe thing right there. That's pretty crazy. So my main thing here also is we're just gonna review this sneaker, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like, new, subscribe, and be sure you follow the boy right here that's let me do the review on the sneaker, because I appreciate that a lot, because sneakers fire, and we're gonna get into it. So let's get started on this. He got the review right here. Let's see.
So you can see it's a Nike SB box. So you know it's about to be some fire. The receipt. Bad boys out right here. The pigeon
Panda
dunks.
Pigeon fire.
So sick.
Yeah, and
what do you
here's
think about them.
These are crazy, and the main thing about it, so obviously it's called the Panda Pigeons because the black, white, and well, I don't know about the gray, but basically, not to mention too, the bottom of the sneaker, this part is like original like newspaper articles and articles from like the original Pigeon SB releases, or at least that's what my friend Ben told me. Shout out to him. He said that these bottoms are like articles from like the riots that happened over the sneaker, so you know people are going crazy for this sneaker, and the store that dropped them obviously made it a shock drop because I guess they didn't want a lot of people lining up, so they just sort of, you know, randomly dropped them. Was there a line there?
Just a line inside the store is probably like 6 people.
Yeah, so not a lot of people there. They knew what they were doing, and I also checked their Instagram. They said the reason that they shock dropped these was because that they had a few pairs that were still coming in that they wanted to obviously drop with the rest, so they just they waited and said it was canceled until those pairs came in, and then they shock dropped. So I guess sort of smart of them, and Nike in the back.
There's so many details on this shoe, like the sample tag and the staple on
Here,
the
show
inside.
them, like, get up close.
That's
fire.
The insole with the little bird.
The whole thing is, and not to mention, comes with extra laces.
Yeah.
Respect for that, Nike. And then, you know, just like look at even like on the details, like right here, like
such a clean shoe.
Crazy. Like, this sneaker's clean,
so nice.
and we're actually, I'll probably record some of this part too. He's gonna sell them right here. I think.
Yeah, I think I'm about to go sell them right now.
Yeah, and these
see
are
how much I can get for them. Hopefully $250.
Yeah, these are, and like obviously, if you, some of you that are new and not extremely educated in the sneaker, like I was at first, here's the detail. Obviously, these are called the pigeons because
the iconic
pigeon
logo right here.
Yeah, bro.
This is so iconic.
Yeah, and not to mention, this is one of the, this is like the original one is a super expensive sneaker. Shout out my boy Cameron. I think he still owns a pair of them. They go for like it's out 3,000 or 6,000.
12K. Probably.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's a lot. But the details on the sneaker are crazy. And honestly, if I had to say my favorite part, it's either A, the sole, or B, I like the inside part, like right there, like the bottom. What's that part called? I don't remember. Just. Yeah, that part. What are your favorite parts of the sneaker, probably?
Definitely the sample tag right there.
That's fire.
I really do like the iconic pigeon logo.
Yeah, and the colorway's fire. Not to mention, they killed it on this.
It's great.
Like, really I remember when my friend originally sent me a picture of this, I was like, these are grody. But now seeing them in person, I'm like, yeah, this is it. This is a fire sneaker. So Nike really outdid themselves on this one, and not to mention, they got a bit creative with the bottoms. I mean, I know I've mentioned this like 4 or 5 times, but just I gotta keep going back to it, because not to mention riots over a sneaker are crazy, and the fact that they noticed that on the bottom, I respect that. So the sneaker's fire.
And they smell good.
And they smell good. The new sneaker smell.
Yeah, facts.
I appreciate that. But yeah, this is a fire sneaker. We're about to go sell them, so I'm gonna film that part, but this is, they great start to 2019. Would you agree on that? Yeah, this is, if we have sneakers like this in 2019, I'm gonna tell you all 100% honest, I'm gonna be buying a lot more sneakers than Supreme and clothes. Just gonna say that, because this is
Wick.
Insane. Alright, heading to a sneaker store. It's sort of close to my house called Good Time, and he's gonna finna sell them shoes, the pigeons. Yeah. The Panda Pigeons. Those are fire. I don't even know how you did that. You gotta, and like within
I was skating outside, and I was just like changing the song on my phone, and I saw the pigeons on my feed, and I was like, what the heck? And I looked at the tag of where it was from, and it was from Black Sheep.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, I'm leaving. And so I just grabbed my keys and dipped and went straight to Black Sheep.
Yeah, what's funny about it though is that it's what's annoying to me is that they shock dropped, because I high-key wanted to make this a vlog where I got up at like 5 a.m. and just went and like just waited, because I don't know why I find enjoyment in that. I thought that'd been sort of fun, like to actually wait for a sneaker drop. Even if I took an L, like that'd be sort of cool, but I get there early enough so you know I wouldn't be taking an L. But yeah, like that would have been fun, but you know, they had to drop the shock drop on us, so yeah. But still cop, that's a fire pair. That's pigeons just go hard. That's all I can say. This is a fire thumbnail right here. It's fire. I got the Vans on foot, these gray sweatpants, and the classic Scarface hoodie on. And he got maroons on. That's fire. Flexing them real quick. Bam. That store actually had some fire in it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they had Sup Tempos. Here, I'm gonna tell y'all a story in a sec. So I had a pair of red Sup Tempos, right? And at the time they weren't selling too crazy. Like, I sold them for what they were going for, which is like $280, I think. And now in the red pair, I think they go for $890. So yeah, that's the biggest L I've ever taken. And you know, yeah. But
it happens.
Yeah, it happens. But speaking of dubs, I know y'all see that.
That was a dub.
That's a dub. It's got me off. Say goodbye to bro.
Peace.
Yeah, he copped them,
yeah.
And I'm still in shock. You got up this morning, woke up, drove there, copped a pair, and made like a quick like $100 bucks. Yeah. So, we'll see, bro.
All right, peace, Tristan.
It's fire. Anyways, I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate the love and support as usual. If you guys did enjoy, do not forget like this video and subscribe below. And also, I just want to say, I really am planning to do more vlogs and things like that, because I want to add a lot of variety to my channel in 2019. It's one of my goals. And if y'all could help me by basically just going down below, commenting some video ideas like vlogs, and I'll be sure to try and get to them and maybe even film them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Always have appreciated it. I love you guys. And yeah, peace out.